Hello to everyone. Welcome to the Biology Reward. And today we are discussing regarding the Biology section, class 9, chapter Tissue. In chapter Tissue, there is one animal tissue topic. In animal tissue, we are discussing now nervous tissue. So nervous tissue, or it is very commonly known as packet of the nerve cell. Dear students, cell responds to the stimuli. Each and every cell, it may be the muscular cell or it may be the nerve cell, all these are responding to the stimuli. Now what is stimulus or what is stimuli? Stimuli is a factor, external factor, and in response to the external factor, the cell's response. So the response of the cell toward the stimuli. Here I told you the stimulus or stimuli is an external factor, and there are number of stimuli. It may be the light, it may be the chemicals, or it may be the gravity, and our cells are responding toward the different stimulus or stimuli. Friends, where does this nervous tissue is present? Nervous tissue is present in a spinal cord. It is present in the brain. It is present in our nerve cells and sense organ of our body. So where does this nervous tissue occurs? It occurs in spinal cord, brain, nerve cell and sense organ of our body. Our nervous tissue is having the packet of nerve cell, because tissue is a group of cells which are performing similar structure and function, which are same in structure and function. So the nerve tissue is also the packet of the nerve cell. This nerve cell is having the basic characteristic and there's power of excitation. Nerve cell has the power of excitation and they have the capability for conduction of the nerve impulses. So nerve impulses are passes from one body part to other body part through the nerve cell. Second important part where we are saying that nerve system is made up of nerve cell. So nerve cell is a unit of the nervous system. The nerve cell is also known as neuron. Nerve cell is commonly known as a neuron. This nerve cell is made up of nerve fibers. Nerve cell is made up of nerve fiber. So each nerve cell, if you will see this type of nerve cell, so each nerve cell is having this type of fiber and these are called the nerve fiber. So each nerve cell is made up of nerve fiber. If you will see the three germinal layer, nerve cells are originated from the ectodermal cells. So it is ectodermal in origin. This will be discussed in the higher classes. So only you remember the nerve cells are ectodermal in origin. Student, as I told you, the nervous tissue is the packet of nerve cell. So what is the basic structure of neuron or nerve cell? This we can say the nerve cells also, or you can say the commonly it is called the neuron or nerve cell. Each nerve cell in the diagram you will see, in each diagram, each nerve cell is having the here hexagonal structure. Sometime maybe this polygonals also. So this hexagonal structure of the nerve cell, it is called the cell body. So this part, this one part is called the cell body of the nerve cell, or it is commonly known as cycle. Now in cell body part there is one nucleus. This center part is called nucleus. there are some granules which are called nasal granules. This type of granules are called nasal granule, and there is a liquid part. This liquid part is called the cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm present in the cell body, it is also called neuroplasm. So neuroplasm we can say, or we can say the cytoplasm. So first part of the nerve cell is cell body, and this cell body is having, each cell body is having the hexagonal structure having the nucleus and cytoplasm. Another part is in cell body, these are the fiber-like outgrowth, and these fiber-like outgrowths, they are called the dendrites. So what are dendrites? These are the long and thin hair-like structure present on the arises from the cell body. They are called the dendrites. So here it is labeled by number 2, and number 2 is the dendrite. Number 1 is labeling for the cell body. So first part was cell body, is cell body. Another part is a dendrite. So next one part is the nerve system, nerve cell. Another part is a axon. This cylindrical structure is called the axon. So out of this dendrite, one dendrite become long and elongated, and this long and elongated as well as cylindrical structure is called the axon. This axon, there is already one liquid which is called exoplasm, and membrane of the axon, it is called exolemma. Okay. So membrane of the axon is called exolemma. So exolemma is the membrane of the axon, and liquid present in axon is called the exoplasm. This axon is ended with the oval structure, and this oval structure, rounded structure, is called the synaptical node. Okay. This one axon is terminated with the nerve ending. So this very simple structure is given in our 9th class book. Nerve ending, axon, cell body, and nerve. What are now function of the each? Dendrite, it receives the stimulus. So any stimulus comes through the outside, that is received by the dendrite. And axon, it passes the stimulus away. So receiving of the impulse is the function of dendrites, whereas passing away the impulses is the function of axon. Thus, each nerve cell, what are the basic function of the nerve cell? Nerve cell, transmission of nerve impulse from one body part to other body part. So, the nerve impulses are passes from the one place to another place in our body. Second important part is nerve cell and muscular tissue, which is muscles. The nerve cell and muscle, they both help to organism to move, and that was they are responding toward the stimuli. So movement in organism is take place by muscular tissue. So thus nerve cell and muscular tissue both help to organism to move, or they may enable the organism to move from one place to another place, as well as they, due to this one, organism is responding to the stimuli. One important point, special point you will see, here I have not discussed in the diagram, but it is not needed in the 9th class also, but we must remember Schwann cells and node of Ranvier are also found in the nerve cell. So this one you will see, this one part, this is called the node of Ranvier. So impulses jump from the one node of Ranvier to other node, and Schwann cells present in this part. So it is all about the nerve tissue.